The next testifier, Terri Napeahi.
Good morning, commissioners of DHHL. My name is Terri Napeahi. I am presently a beneficiary living on Panaewa ag lots. I was born and raised in Keaukaha, Hawaiian homelands, and I'm here to speak in behalf of C2, which is a proposed legislative bill that giving you some law, case law that was presented by groups previously in the 80s. We have some members here in the room that have been there protesting geothermal. So this is for the AG and the lawyers that you have. The case law that I'm presenting today is Pele Defense Fund versus Campbell. The first PDF lawsuit of Geothermal Venture when it was being proposed through legislation and created by county subzones on all the islands of Hawaii. So I just wanted to present that lawsuit to you and also to let you know that we are very familiar with your organization that was put together called PIG to discuss your adventure to get legislative monies. I know this is about money. And I know it is about 100% royalties that you are proposing, but I would like to educate you of the history of geothermal projects that have been done on this particular island. Why this island? Because of Pele, the source of geo. They need her source to be able to produce the amount of wattages that you're wanting, that particular company is needing. So whatever proposals that he is, Don Thomas, I'm very familiar with Don Thomas. Don Thomas that has been working with the University of Hawaii, proposing geothermal ideals, also IDG, and it being a native to native proposal. But just wanted to let you know the opposition that it has had since the 1980s on this island in lawsuit. There was a previous lawsuit that was proposed in 2014 when Don Thomas and the University of Hawaii presented to do 22 drilling holes and exploration on Hualalai. We gathered together people that have lived next to geothermal projects in Puna. We had 9 plaintiffs and filed a lawsuit because it is desecration. It is a desecration on our several people's or several members of our island and their religion, which is Article 12, Section 7.
It's just
First Amendment. And I would like to just let you know that it is also a toxic release inventory company that would have to report to EPA, like the 7 other major toxic facilities that are in and around Keaukaha. If you want to ask the impacts of a toxic release inventory company, I grew up by a runway. I grew up walking to school, smelling the egg, hydrogen sulfide smell of the sewage, the airport that runs right next to my home, the gas storage companies that are only 300 feet away from our families, landfill, and the sewage. People are getting sick. You want to ask what TR companies do to families? You ask the people that live in Keaukaha that have had to endure 50 years of excessive exposure. Each regulatory company that we are hoping that they can abide by regulatory standards and thresholds has allowed 7 toxic major facilities to emit excessively for decades.
23
unrepairable health issues to my families. And I'm here to testify that I believe that many of our Hawaiians that have endured 50 years of TRI companies have passed because of such. please take into my consideration this
That's
toxic inventory
5766.
company that you're putting on Hawaiian homelands
25939.
that should be for Hawaiian homelands, the land for our people, and not for industrial
Correct.
facilities and not for commercial activities.
No,
We allow everybody on this island, sewage, gas, helpo, everything off of the backs of our Hawaiians. Please take that into consideration. I know you, Mike Ilikini. I saw your hands up. He should have been recusing himself from this vote because he works for PGV. And this is the end of my testimony. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pele, can I